folks, welcome back to Prescribed Adventures. We are going to check out Deck 4, the entertainment deck, in which you're going to start with Izumi Hibachi and Sushi, another specialty restaurant. You got the hibachi on one side, and you got the sushi on the other side. And this is in the back near the main dining. So here you got Deck 4 main dining. And then we're gonna walk through the casino. Here you have Casino Royale. We did a full tour video. So please make sure to like, subscribe, check out the channel. Plenty of ship tours, casino tours, cabin tours, and lots of us boarding ships, so you get to know what you're in store for if you're new to cruising, new to Royal Caribbean, new to a different port. You can see the boarding process, so check out the full playlist of our videos. So that was the casino, quick walkthrough. Once again, check out the full tour. And then we're going to cut through the art gallery. They do gallery art auctions. Park West. You got some very unique. You got Disney. You got Star Wars. You got the Olive Guys. More Disney. They do have some Marvel sometimes. Oh, there it is. Okay. We're coming up on more Star Wars. There's Marvel. There's a little more Disney and DC. And so over here on the front of the ship, we have the entertainment side. You got a little more art displayed out here. I think they're doing. Here is Studio B, where they will have the ice show. And we're going to check that out tonight. Not sure what's going on, but we're going to give you a quick look at the ice rink here. Oh, they got free skate going on. So yes, you can't bring your own skates because those would be considered a weapon. But they do have free skate out there for you. And even if you don't know how, they have the little hand holders so you can practice. And like I said, tonight will be the ice show. So maybe I'll just throw a couple clips over this walkthrough so you can see that. And on this side, Wonder of the Seas still has the attic, which is the small comedy venue. And unfortunately, I don't think I can get in there right now. It looks closed up, but that's okay. And over here we have the non-smoking casino. Like I said, you can check out our video about that. Some more art. And then all the way back to the front of the ship here, you have the Royal Theater. And there you go. So that's where they're gonna have a production show. They might have the Effectors, which is their Avengers knockoff show. So there you have it, folks. That was Deck 4, the entertainment deck here on Wonder of the Seas. Once again, I'm Chris. This is Prescribed Adventures. Please give us a like. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. And check out the rest of our Wonder of the Seas videos right here. And we'll see you next time. Bye.